Hello everyone, welcome to a new stream. Fahim, hello, how you doing, man? All good? So let's start today with Bitcoin. Well, the market is moving down. Wow, Sunday. Well, as predicted, of course, for Sunday afternoon, we might see, of course, some lower prices, right? And we might see some movement. Yeah, so today I have some plans, of course, to do. Besides the altcoin and the Bitcoin, and we're gonna make a list today. We're gonna make a list. We're gonna separate all the altcoins that they have their bull run, that it might unfold, and the altcoins that it might, of course, have a bearish market. Plus the sideways, of course. That is sideways. So we're gonna make a list today. Hi Rizok, how you doing, man? All good? Amber, welcome to the stream, guys. Nice to see you. Nice to see you guys. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna do this live stream, of course, besides the analysis. So each altcoin we're gonna analyze it. We're gonna set into a list here. We're gonna make a list for the bull run group, right? I already mentioned this, by the way, on the Discord for the members on the Discord, but of course, today we're gonna see probably more altcoins, so we can have a larger list. So we're gonna separate them with a bull run group, right? We're gonna have the bear market group, right? And we're gonna have the sideways group. Yeah. So we saw many of them. Daniel, nice to see you, man. Welcome, guys. I'm really glad to see you all today, especially from the Discord member as well. Very nice to see you guys. MG, welcome, man. MG is always active on this channel. And I don't know how to thank you, MG. He's one of the first members of this channel, and he's always active. Like every single video, he analyzes it and has always some question, and always glad, of course, that he's always like excited and for Elliott Wave. Very nice, man. I think MG, you became to a level where you can handle these things alone, even. Yeah, it's good to see you today, MG. Yes. Thank you, man. Thank you, MG. Cipri, welcome, man. Nice to see you, man. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, so basically this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna separate all the altcoins besides Bitcoin, of course, and set them, of course, into a groups. And to see, because as I mentioned, this cycle that is coming, we might, of course, have not like every single cycle. Of course, the market will not give us this chance. It's a little bit like, I mean, very obvious if the alt season starts and everyone just move their portfolios from Bitcoin to altcoins, and everyone makes money about it and with it, and just very easy, right? It's too easy to believe it. So this cycle is much more like there is a lot of confusion in the crypto market, and of course many altcoins might be bearish, many altcoins might be very bullish, even more than Bitcoin, while Bitcoin might be, of course, bearish or sideways so far. Cipri, hello KG, and okay, welcome Cipri, and not yet. I have learned a lot from you, but still ways going. Yeah, of course, Elliott Wave always surprise us. As you can see, every day we can see something new, right? Something very critical and very tricky, right? It's not always the same. Every day we get something. So what's going on in the market today? Of course, we said, yeah, today is gonna be some movement, right? We see some red now on the 4-hour chart. Very nice. But yeah, I mean, as expected, right? We saw also the indicator analysis today. It was a very, most of them were bearish, right? And we're looking, of course, a little bit for yeah for lower prices to see in case of course we take this blue zone as predicted, right? This blue zone for a wave 4, we're gonna retest here. Definitely, we're not like moving down directly, guys. Of course, that is some retracement and so on. So we're gonna see the range, what the range tell us here. If we get a kind of like 5 ways up, 3 ways down, probably we have to, of course, be careful with it. It might, of course, move for one more wave toward the upside. Yeah. And this scenario for the 1-2 here start, of course, to get a very low possibility, right? Where we have here a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. As a 1-2, that might be, of course, a very low possibility right now, and especially, of course, with this price action here now. If we move a little bit on the 1-hour chart, I want to check this one. Yeah, this one is a little bit tricky wave, right? It is a tricky wave. Hi, MT, welcome to the live, man. Nice to see you here. Yeah, so this wave is a little bit tricky, guys. It can be, of course, it can be something impulsive starting from 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, and looking here for something corrective. Also possible. So let's see if we have here the wave 2. Here we go. Currently in the perfect fib levels of a wave 2. So we're gonna watch and see. We're gonna watch and see. If we take a look at KGT, here we go. Yeah. So in KGT, we have, let me refresh because it's very choppy, the price action. So yeah, we have probably a signal coming soon in the bullish signals. Let me check. Here we go. Yeah, it's very close. Yeah, it's very close. Wow, it's almost 500 with a divergence. So yeah, we have to be careful with it. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. I mean, if this ends up as 1-2, yeah, and you have already 1-2, 1-2, and then movement toward the upside, yeah, very possible. But I mean, I'm not sure how much stronger it will be. I mean, in this case scenario, you will take this this most weird scenario that I talked about it, that imagine that it happens, but of course Bitcoin would love to have it. So this one was expanding flat. 1 second. Here we go. This finishing W here. Yeah, finishing W. 1 second here. This one. WXY, right? X and a Y. Your wave Y is like a running flat. A, B, and a C. Yeah, but this is a very low possibility. Yeah, because your wave C is not finished as 5 waves. Yeah, it's and yeah, if we finished here wave 4, that's wave 1, 2, and 1, 2 again moving towards the upside. Well, nobody Bitcoins. Will we go through alts today? Yes, MT, of course. As I mentioned in the beginning, we're gonna separate all the altcoins between those groups. Yeah, we're gonna have the bull run groups, the altcoins that they have a bull run, the one that they are in a bearish market, and the one that are going in sideways. Yeah, so I already made a list on the Discord, of course, but with the most main coins. So today, whatever coins we do, we're gonna put it in one of these groups, to see what's gonna happen. Jordi, hi man, welcome to the live stream. Great guys. So Amber, you have already a request. Remind me before I go to Discord. I think okay, in Discord you asked me for something today, which I want to start with it. Mantra. Yeah, exactly, mantra. All right, so let's do the mantra. Let me check mantra USD. The best one you said crypto.com, right? Okay, mantra USD was crypto.com. Yes, empty. We're gonna go with ICP and Jasmy too. By the way, I heard Jasmy is I don't know if that's true, guys, but is Jasmy was a scam? Was it true or not? I just heard it in one video or something. Just I'm not sure. Okay, mantra. What is the abbreviation for it? Mantra crypto. This one, OM. Okay, OMUSD on crypto.com. Perfect. All right. So let's move to the daily here. Wow. Okay, it looks good. Yep. Wow. Okay. That's a nice move. Okay. All right. So no, it's not a scam. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why they said many coins on Solana blockchain were including Libra, yeah, something related to the Argentina president, something like this, that they, I don't know, manipulate the things and scam the people with millions and billions. It sounds like Trump, millions and billions. Yeah, so we're gonna see here 3 waves down, okay, 3 waves up, nothing here interesting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Psychology starts here, right? Let's say exactly here, and then we have an impulse, and now we have another impulse. So again, psychology starts here again. So probably, of course, we're gonna have a scenario for this, and we're gonna have a scenario for this, but because you are encountered by 2 impulses opposite to each others, therefore, of course, you have to start to count from one of these impulses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 1 or A. Okay, very sideways, which is a wave 3 characteristic. So 1, 2, 3, I would say. Yes. I would say 1, 2, 3 better because this looks like wave 4 characteristic. So let's move to the daily here and see if we can count this as 1, 2. Okay, so we have an impulse 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, is it a finished impulse? 1, 2, 3, and a 5. No, 1, 2. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3, and then 4. Yes, perfect. Okay, so this is a thing. Okay, a little bit tricky, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, not invalidated. 5 for your wave 3 here, and then you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is already your wave 3, the main one. Yeah, you have several impulses inside it, and then 1, 2. Yeah, so 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect. So yeah, this is what I want. This is the key. So let's start to label. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So your wave 5, we are currently in the wave 5. Oh, okay. So possibly we are at the end of it, guys. So be careful with it. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is also 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So with this scenario here, we have, of course, this wave 5 to be finished, and probably we're gonna, of course, move inside it to see if finished or not. So okay, let's say this is a finished impulse. What are the scenario from here? So if we are starting to count, of course, from here where the market has started to move to the upside as a psychological movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you are in a bigger wave 1, right, or a wave A. So wave 1 is, here we go, in this one. I prefer to put this into this level, yeah. Or we are in an A, B, and a C. A, B, and a C, right? So one of these scenarios, most possible scenarios, and this is your micro here. So definitely we're moving toward the downside after this move, yeah. Definitely we are moving toward the downside after this move anyway, because an impulse is finished. So we have a move toward the downside for a wave B, wave 2, yeah. And in case we have here something that probably it can be, for example, A, let's take, for example, this as a full wave, like A, B, C, probably, yeah. And then we have an X and probably a Y here, can be A, B, and a C, yeah. So probably 3 waves down. So I would say like a W, W, X, and a Y, yeah. In this case, flat, X can be anything, yeah, and then A, B, and a C toward the downside. Finishing wave Y and moving toward the upside. Now, okay, in case this is 3 waves down, we have to be careful. We have to be careful here because of this move, yeah, that it might be A, B, and a C, yeah. So you have to be careful from it because it is possible, right? So what if this is an A, B, and a C, and you're looking as well for an impulse toward the downside? Yeah. So in both case scenario right now, if you are in 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, expanding flat toward the downside. However, your wave here is very, very high than this one, and I think it has overshooted, of course. It has overshooted the wave B expanding flat. Let me check. Of course, the wave B expanding flat. Okay, yeah, very high. Yeah, overshooted. Therefore, very, very low possibility. Yeah, very low possibility. But in all case scenarios, you would like to move towards the downside. Okay, because if you have here finish 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, A, B, C, probably wave 2 or a wave B, and moving for higher. Your targets, of course, can be given only after having a wave B or a wave 2, but of course you would like to retrace here at least, I would say 0.3. Wave 2 has an impulse 0.38. This one. Yeah, so this is a blue zone. 2 is coming, of course. Yeah, so basically it's a bear market, right? Because this is a daily. Now let's move inside it here. In the wave 5, you would like to, of course, count 5 waves. Let's move for hour. Wow, okay. This is a low. A, B, and it's W, X, Y, definitely. So W, X, and a Y, right? And it kind of like flat here, and then 1. Okay, this can be an impulse, all of it internally. Wave 1 hour chart, 1, 2, or A, B, and a C, 1, 2, and then 3, 4 did not interfere. Wow, 5. Okay, what a movement, right? It's like a stairs. Yeah, so probably you have here 1 A, B, C for a wave 2, and wave 3 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3. 4 not invalidated, of course, as a impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 currently is kind of like expanding flat. So basically finished, I would say, when you start to see something like this. Basically, it is in the top. And probably you are unfolding something, probably still corrective. In case you still have one more leg as zigzag, because expanding flat, it needs, of course, an overshooting wave 5. Your wave 5 has to be a zigzag, not just like one move to the upside. Therefore, I would say yes, it is very, very possible that we have topped. So you have here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. So these are your lower minor counts. Yeah, here we go. This one, let's put it in the smallest. Yeah, to finish 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, even it can be here 3, 4, and a 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finish wave 3, A, B, C for your wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice. Yeah, so I would say it is done. It's finished. It's finished. So yeah, let's put this one into a category, right? I would say this one. I mean, you can say that it is bullish, but currently you have a cycle which it is bearish, right? You need a retracement for this. So therefore, of course, with mantra right now is in the bear market, right? It should be in the next few weeks in the bear market. So let's say mantra, right? Here we go. In all case scenarios, yeah, even if you are A, B, and a C, if you are in a 1, 2, or in an A, B, and a C toward the upside, so all of them require bearish market. Yep. So this is for mantra. Let's see ICP, ICP and Jasmy, right? Yes. So that was for mantra, Jasmy. Let's go to Jasmy USD. Okay, Coinbase, yes. Okay, let me mark this. Here we go. All right, so we have on Jasmy what we have expected before. Let me check. Oh, okay. It was already expected. Wave 4, okay, as WXY, and this is exactly what happened. Wow. Okay. So, yeah, we have A, B, and a C toward the downside. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Why I already took WXY? How did I knew it? Yeah, okay, wave 2. Yeah, wave 2 length. So we need a longer wave 4. And that because, of course, yeah, because of the length of it. And as you can see, invalidation of bullish was given here, meaning if the price goes down, and it did actually. Of course, this has been given a long time ago, guys, before we get the price action here. So it has been given, so meaning, of course, we have finished. Now, can we call it a wave 5 finished here? It's a question mark. Of course, we have to analyze this, but probably not. Probably not. But what I would like to do first is to check the wave 1, 2 time regarding this wave 4. Okay, wave 4 over 2. Yeah, so yeah, okay. As you can see, you have bottomed before the 0.618. Yeah, meaning very, very low possibility that you have bottomed for a wave 4 here. And then, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably okay. Yeah, so it doesn't look like really nice impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, of course, interfered. There is no double 4, 5 anyway. As you can see, you have double 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's say 3, 4, 5. Where is your final 4, 5? So not good. Let's say 1, 2, and then 3. Yeah, because your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. And then, okay, what is your 4, 5, right? So that is something missing in this impulse. And of course, we are moving for lower prices. And as you can see, it's moving down. Hi, activated. Welcome, man. Thought it had a topped or close to. It's good to see your. Yes. Welcome, Ember. Glad that it helped. Yes, we're gonna go to East as well. Rizak next. So yeah, for Jasmy, we have we didn't finish a wave 5, guys. We didn't finish a wave 5. Your wave 5 probably still, of course, an open scenario, and that because your second invalidation point right now. Let's take this one. Is this one? Yeah. So your wave 1 here. Here we go, and this is invalidation of a bullish. Okay, and this is your price action here. Okay, so this is the invalidation of Jasmy, right? And we still, of course, need to move for higher. Yep. So what are we now in a wave 4? Yeah, this is a wave 4. Okay, let's see the confluence with the targets and the wave 3. So as a wave 4. Okay. Sorry guys, 1 second. Yep, back. So yeah, the confluence between the target for a wave 4 in the retracement and the of course the wave C here as an expanding flat is 1.38. 1.38, very nice between the 0.38 and the 0.5. Of course, bringing us, of course, for a nice target, yeah, for a wave 4, because you're gonna take the lows as well. And as you can see, it's a very, very strong order block here, by the way. That is a very, very strong order block here. Yeah. So you have to expect, of course, even to move higher, probably taking a little bit few dollars the low, or probably the 1.38 and move back high, very, very high. Yeah, but as you can see, it's a very, very strong support here. So probably still bullish, of course, still bullish and still looking for higher, but it just need a low. And as you can see, this move toward the downside is very, very choppy. Yeah, nothing is impulsive in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation directly. Once you see the first wave as an impulse invalidated, you cannot count an impulse anymore. If you want to count a leading diagonal, let's say ABC, ABC for a wave 2, AB and a C for a wave 3, yeah, very low possibility, very low possibility. Yeah, so basically this is your scenario here. Now what it could be another scenario as bearish, it can be WXY, bigger WXY. Meaning if you have finished here as kind of like ABC, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably, right? And yeah, basically you have finished anyway. It could be wave 3, yeah. But the problem with it that it is not, it is not an impulse. But this also is a great impulse. So yeah, basically this is your wave 4. So what if the bearish scenario ABC, and moving toward the downside? However, the only way to move toward the downside is a zigzag, a flat or a triangle. Yeah. So this can be a triangle. You might go sideways. Be careful. So it might not be very, very bullish as we expect. It might be, of course, more sideways. So let's add this scenario as bearish, yeah, or sideways. Okay. So this scenario is, of course, is your bearish one. Let me just clean up a little bit. I don't like to see many things in one spot. All right, so let's put it aside. Let's stretch this and put this there. Okay, and this one, no need for it. Here we go. Wave Y. Okay, and then what if you have 3 ways down, 3 ways up, right? Because A, B, and a C, right? And then sideways for a triangle or a zigzag. Much higher possibility is a sideways, yeah, in case you are bearish. Why? Because of this wave. Because a zigzag has to be an impulse towards the downside. Impulse, correction, impulse, right? You don't have this, right? You don't have it. In a flat, also, you need kind of like a zigzag or something that it looks like very, very impulsive a little bit. For a wave A, B, and a C, right? Highest possibility, in case you are bearish here, highest possibility of the bearish is a triangle sideways. So Jasmy is, I think Jasmy is still okay, yeah, until, of course, in case you hit this level, you break it, that's not good. I would say don't wait for the invalidation. In case the price action takes those level down, yeah, very, very low possibility that you are moving, of course, for higher again. Okay, so yeah, 0.5 I would say very critical. I wouldn't, for me personally, of course, no financial advice, but I wouldn't take this trade, of course, if it breaks this, right? I wouldn't be bullish yet. Yeah, if we break it somewhere here, and yeah, I don't see. I mean, you have to check the signal after. Yeah, you have to check the range. If you get 5 ways up, 3 ways down, continuation, then yes, okay, definitely. But if you hit the invalidation even during this formation, that's not good at all. I wouldn't take it. Yep. So Jasmy, I would say bullish and sideways, right? So it is in between. It is in between, but currently its highest possibility is still bullish. So we're gonna put it into the bullish market and still have a long way, right, for the bullish. Here we go. Because this is a daily, right? If we are on the daily, we're looking for a wave 5. It's gonna take at least 1 to 2 months, guys, to finish. So that's nice. What's next? ICP. All right, let's do ICP. For ICP, I think we did it here as well. Okay, on Coinbase. Okay, with ICP, yeah, I remember it. Okay, so ICP, yeah, I mentioned before that, yeah, I don't like it, that it's so, yeah, it's so downtrend and moving toward the downside, and then, okay, yeah, you have to think A, B, and a C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and somehow like this, and this is exactly what's happening. So, basically, why we don't have, okay, let's do everything from the beginning. Okay, so we have here a very obvious, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished impulse toward the downside, right? And yeah, probably with this impulse you finish wave A, you're looking for wave B and a wave C, right? So this is your first scenario. Here we go. A, B, and a C. So we're gonna check if this is an impulse. We're gonna check if this is an impulse or not. However, in opposite scenario, you have, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. Of course, this is very bearish. And your bullish scenario is that the market starts just to find psychology here. And then you start to count from there. This is your only hope, yeah, but it's a hope. Don't forget, it's a hope. It's not based on Elliott wave history, right? It's a hope. So yes, activated. We're gonna check BGB and beam. Okay, yes, sure. We're gonna take a look, man. So yeah, if we have an impulse here, of course, I mean, with hoping that this is a wave 1, right? You can consider this as an impulse, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while your wave, okay, your wave 2, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is very, very choppy here in this area, yeah, but still can be. It still can be. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, still can be. You have an ABC here, very, very shallow wave 2. And then you have 1, 2 in leading diagonal, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, and then 4 and a 5. Why? Ah, yeah, okay, double 1, 2s. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. But this finishing here is not good at all. How can I count? Okay, this can be, oh my god, is also here in validation. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4 in validation. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 in validation. 1, 2, 3, not good. So this cannot be a part of the impulse. Your impulse has finished only here. A, B, and a C towards the downside. Meaning your impulse is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 4, 5 in the top here. Very questionable, right? Not really nice. 1, 2. Yeah, even this is a low. This is your low. Okay, let's remove this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, not good. I prefer to start count then from here. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. That's it. Yeah, I know that the low is taken here, but very weird. Yeah, if you have double 1, 2s here, where is your 4, 5? Yeah, And here I cannot count anything like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it can be expanding diagonal, but what an expanding, even as an expanding diagonal is not nice. It doesn't look perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 1 here. Yeah, but that's why very low possibility. Yeah, because of this very choppy thing here. So let's say this is okay. This is your wave 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You're looking for the yellow scenario here, right? We are the bullish scenario here. So you are in wave 2, definitely not finished or not yet. So we're gonna see 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. So A, B, C. So A, B, and a C. Very clear expanding flat. And you're looking here to a WXY, W, X, and a Y as a zigzag. And then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? Because you need to finish this in ABC, basically. So in case let's analyze this one. In case you are here in, okay, we have double 1, 2, even double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3. You are in the first wave 4, 5, 4, and a 5. This is what you would like to see. Because you have double 1, 2s. Let's label this to make it much more clearer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, this is your first 1, 2. Let's do the gray. So first one, first 4, and then you have another 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 to finish your wave 2. So in case you are in a bullish scenario, in case, yeah. Don't forget that this is an impulse. How it can finish, yeah, okay, it can finish it in a wave C, exactly. So your target here for a wave 1 as a wave 2, here we go, 886, right? Yeah, so if you look, I mean, here you start visually to take it a little bit like 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. You're already very close to the 886. So very, very dangerous scenario for bullish. Yeah. Yeah, so, but this is your blue zone. And this is your blue zone, but still looking for lower now. And not very sure because of this impulse not looking really great. Not very sure if it's gonna work, of course, as an impulse. Because it looks like, for me, A, B, and a C to the upside, or WXY. And meaning 3 A for an impulse, 3 waves up, and then probably moving toward the downside one more leg for lower. It can be an ending diagonal, by the way. Yeah, A, B, and a C ending diagonal. Yeah, probably. Anything else it can be, but the higher possibility here goes a little bit, guys, for the bearish. So be careful with ICP. Yeah, so ICP, I would say much more bearish, right? ICP. It can be, of course, bullish, but very low possibility right now. Let's see something else. Ethereum, yes, is coming. ETH BTC, I don't find a reason to do it, bro. You know, ETH against BTC. You cannot. I mean, man, ETH is in a bear market. Yeah. So expanding flat in wave 4, about regular flat. We are at 1-to-1 on Jasmy. Yeah, Jasmy, we did it already. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. ABC expanding flat wave 4. Yes. Yes. Okay, so could you check on BGB and the beam? Yes, we will do. First, we're gonna do ETH. Most welcome, activated. Yes, I'm living in Germany. Yes. Yes. I live in Deutschland. Exactly. So, let's do ETH. ETH. Here we go. All-time history. why I wouldn't do ETH and Bitcoin. I mean, because I know already that Ethereum is down, Bitcoin is up. Yeah, Ethereum is in a bearish market, Bitcoin is in a bullish market. Still, so far, of course. So yeah, for Ethereum, drink a little bit water. All right. So I'm back in Germany after 10 years Asia. Oh, welcome back then. Maybe I'm leaving. Maybe I'm leaving now. Probably. Not probably. I'm aiming to Dubai probably for this year. Not sure yet. But yeah, probably. So, Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, as we know, we said Ethereum will start its own bull run by itself. Now, I hear many people say, okay, it's a sick coin of the crypto market and so on. It's not true. That's all. Sorry, it's not true. It's very normal for me because Elliott wave can explain everything. Okay. Um, I'm wondering why you want to leave. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished impulse, guys. In the cycles that we had for Ethereum, we have a finished impulse toward the upside. 1 and wave A, right? So we have finished wave 1, we have finished a wave A. And that's why, of course, we need a correction. It's not sick. It's not that it is bearish and it's dying and whatever we hear on the YouTube. It's simply in a bear market because, of course, it needs to be. Yeah, it has finished an impulse, right? And we gonna of course move for higher soon or later. Yeah, and once we finish this correction, which we are in an A, B, and a C toward the downside, wave W, W, X, and a Y, and of course we're gonna finish a structure here for anything to finish a wave Y as well. Hi MedFlow, welcome to the live stream, man. Yeah, so A, B, and a C toward the downside. Our target is 1-to-1 fib level and 1.05 fib level. Yeah, so A, B, and a C probably, or a W, X, and a Y, and then moving for higher prices. So Ethereum actually it is in an end of the bear market, and it's gonna start its bull run soon or later. While Bitcoin is gonna move down, it's gonna bring Ethereum more down, and of course, all of you will think, of course, it's done. There is no crypto anymore to buy right now, and so on. While Bitcoin continue its movement towards the downside, Ethereum will just jump toward the upside. Very simple. And yeah, so basically, even I doubt that Ethereum is gonna hit the 1-to-1 fib level, which is 759. I believe the 0.618 is more than enough, of course, to move for higher, because you are in a WXY. W, this is definitely an X. By the way, this is your high and not this one. Yeah, a very few dollars difference between this high and this one. I'm gonna show you. Here we go. Yeah. So you see, this is your high. Yeah. Definitely, we have finished in the top here any structure, which is, of course, WXY inside WXY, where you have a W zigzag, an X, another zigzag, and a bigger zigzag for your wave Y. So, 3 wave up, after 3 waves down, you're looking for another 3 waves down. Very, very simple, right? It's just that Ethereum needs just to get the low, one more low, I mean, in double time, because you have double 1, 2 probably. If you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, not invalidated yet, and you're looking for lower, yeah, in 4, 5, 4, 5. So this one, it can finish, of course, your wave Y. It can be even, guys, ABC, yeah, as a 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and ABC again toward the downside, hitting perfectly the 0.618, which is the first target for a wave Y. Now, because of course the wave Y, when you have WX and a Y, your wave Y is always a big range. This is a problem, and it can be anything because your wave Y has many shapes, right? It can be zigzag, can be flat, it can be a triangle, and therefore it is very wide range for the Y. So basically, I see 1,600 for Ethereum. Let's say 1,000.5, 1.15K, and moving toward the upside. This is what I see. Yes, it's gonna end in A, B, and a C, or WXY, and then of course moving for higher prices. Yep. So maybe you're right. Personally, I like to watch ETH BTC. Just interested when will the money will start flowing to ETH. Yeah, I know what you mean. You still think that Ethereum is the leader of the altcoin, and you think like when the money flow outside of Bitcoin to the Ethereum, then the altcoins start. So this idea is gone, bro. You have to think totally different right now because the market is not easy like this anymore. So here we go. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Well, I mean, it's so bad. Yeah, so bad. We cannot really compare right now because it's not good at all. Is this what we saw in this cycle here? What we saw in this cycle was totally, how to say, like Ethereum was, yeah, in its first stage, you know, like starting the big impulse with the cycles. Yeah, and this is it. This was it. And finish this impulse, and now Ethereum needs to move down. And here we go. It's moving down correctively, by the way. For injective, I think we are in a big wave one. Yeah, we're gonna see injective again. And we are now in correction. Yep. So Ethereum, I would say, guys, one more low. Yeah, one more low and moving towards the upside. So I would say, yeah, it is a bullish scenario, but of course after one more low. Yeah, so and if I put it now, it's everyone will think that it is bullish from now. So this is a problem. But I would say, yeah, I would say that let's put it sideways because it is a wave Y. It is a sideways sometimes, but how to explain this? Let's just put it in the bullish and just in a after or just at 1.5K. Very simple. Is bullish bull run at 1.5K. Very easy. Yeah? So it's understandable. You can look at the chart where is 1.5K and then here we go. All right. Maybe also we have to mention the other. That will be interesting, guys. I mean, these are nice information to keep it. So wave 4, I would say 0.013 for Jasmy. So bullish at 0.013. All right, here we go. Mantra, okay, it's already bearish from now. ICP as well, probably, yeah. Well, okay, ICP is really hard to take, but let me check ICP USD. This one, okay. Did we said it is bullish or bearish? We said bearish, right? So, okay. Currently, let's keep it in the bear market. I'm afraid to put this in the bullish anyway. So for injective in a big wave one, if Sol will move bearish, but it's a meme coins like WIF and Popcat move bullish at the same time. Yeah, definitely. That is no look, guys. That is no relation so much, like very strong relation anymore between the altcoins. like before. And so yeah, very possible that the meme coins move higher while the altcoins, other altcoins move down, even if they are on Solana blockchain. It's about I mean, look, man. Today, some people like meme coins. They don't care about Solana. They don't they don't know about Solana. They don't even know that they are based on Solana blockchain. Yeah, so they just love meme coins. You know, it's just meme coin, and they just buy it. Fahim, we forgot Avax. Sorry, man. Yes, we're moving to Avax. Avax is coming next. All right, so yeah, let's move on, guys. So Avax. Actually, we have USD. Here we go. Avax. All right. Yeah. So Avax, if you remember, we have, of course, two bullish and bearish scenario, I think. Yeah. So you have an A, B, and a C, and a D, and a E, of course, in this triangle, and it looks like it's working so far, moving toward the downside impulsively, and it can be, of course, an A, and then probably longer correction toward the downside, A, B, and a C. Yeah, so these are the possibilities that we have. In case, of course, we are looking what the A is doing here. Okay, so A, B, and a C toward the downside, and then we are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably toward the downside. Yeah, this is your scenario in case you are bearish. In case also you are bearish here, you have a wave E finish toward the upside, meaning continuation downward, and probably you are in a 1, A, B, C for your wave 2, yeah, and then looking for higher prices. But to say that AVAX is very bullish, no, it is not yet. If it is bullish, potentially from this price action, from this blue zone, potentially, after finishing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, because you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse, ABC for a wave 2, and probably we're moving impulsively for a wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave C. Yeah, so yeah, we have to be careful with it. Here we go. We have start to count this impulse, by the way. On the daily, let's move to the daily. So on the daily, you are looking here, yeah, to an impulse probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But let me check, even double check inside why this is a wave 1. Yeah, okay, definitely it is an impulse. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, okay. All right, A, B, and a C. Okay, this is your high here. I have something here which it might change the scenario, but still, of course, I'm afraid that it creates several 1, 2s then. 1, 2, but as an A, B, and a C, this is very, very hard to say. And if this is our low here, yeah, I think it's a truncated, yeah, okay, that is a thing. It's a truncated move here for this impulse, yeah, and that's why I have to start to count from here. That's true. Okay, you have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C, truncated wave 5, just few cents, few dollars, and then start 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 1, ABC for your wave 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 currently. Exactly. So let's label 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And here we go. You're moving toward the downside right now. I think it has unfolded right now. Here we go. Yeah, so this is not a triangle, by the way. It's not a triangle because your wave here, it took the low. So you have A, B, and a C probably, yeah, and 1, 2, oh, yeah, exactly. So your A, B, C, A, B, and a C. Here we go. Yeah. A, B, C, this is an impulse for your wave 1, and you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. Yeah. So, yeah, here we go. This is your wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave 5, finishing a wave 3. And then 4 and a 5 for your yellow scenario, which it might be, of course, lower than, the fib level. So probably 886 even. Yeah, be careful from it. I don't know why Avalanche is not doing well, knowing that it's a very nice blockchain. I like it. It has a very, very low fees for transaction. But very possible. Why not? I mean, 1, 2, and moving toward the upside. Yeah. To change the mindset. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a trap of the market. It's hard to change the mindset. That's true. And that's why you have to trust something like Elliott wave. It can lead you. Here we go. So this is for Avalanche. Avalanche still, of course, bearish so far because we have a big 1, 2, which it can transform to a, of course, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and because this is an impulse, now it can be ABC. Don't forget that it can transform to, because this is impulse, zigzag A, B, and a C. However, your zigzag wave B normally it doesn't take the high. Yeah, it should be only to the 0.5. Yeah, so it is much more characteristic of a wave 2. Yeah, because it's very, very deep, and then probably 3, 4, and a 5. After a big A, B, and a C, the magenta scenario, wave C. Therefore, Avax, I would say, let's put it in the bear market. So let's say Avax, and let's set the first target to watch it from there. Avax, let's say, in the blue box here, let's say 19.3. Let's say 19.3. Yeah, dollar. So Avax, watch this price action. Okay, so it's gonna hit this price action, and watch, of course, for bullish in case, of course. But as bearish is going to this price right now. Yeah. So Avax we did it. Jasmy also needs one more low per your TA. Yes. Yes, exactly. Yeah, because we are in wave 4. Definitely. One more low. Let's put the price. Did we put the price for Jasmy? Yes, we put it. Okay. Can you look at OP? But yes, I can do. But let's just check if someone asked for something before. I think injective, right? I think, yeah, injective for MatFlow. Injective or Inj USD. I think here we go. So okay. Yes, so in injective, we have, of course, an impulse toward the upside, finish wave A or a wave 1, right? Correction in both case scenario, moving for an impulse, finished an impulse, ABC zigzag, very nice. You're looking for 3 waves in this case scenario, 3 waves toward the downside for after a zigzag, or you are in a 1, 2, 1, 2 again, where your wave 2 also needs 3 waves toward the downside, and moving toward the upside. Bull run, right? Bull run for injective, because most of your bullish scenario have a confluence target inside this area, inside here. Very, very interesting level. Blue box here, of course, where we have the targets. We are even much precise with the targets here. This is your target. I think it's on the 4-hour chart. Here we go. Yeah, this is your blue zone here inside the 1-to-1 fib level and 0.5, which are in between the 0.38 and 0.5. And this is a perfect target area for 3 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now, you would tell me, isn't it contracting diagonal? Probably, but yeah, now because your wave 3 is longer than your wave 1. So if we take here a wave 1 as, here we go, and we say wave 3 diagonal. Well, it didn't touch it. Oh my god, it's still, why I didn't put this? It is a leading diagonal. Actually, I just realized. I never thought, but because I think, yeah, I think I took it just by length directly. I saw this longer than this one, but actually based on the price, it is not. So very possible 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. If this is your wave 4, we're gonna get now more confluence targets. Look how much beautiful it's gonna be. Wave 4. Wow. Exactly in the targets that we're looking for. Yeah. Wave 4 in a diagonal. Very nice target. So to watch, $9. Look what a psychological number as well for 1-to-1. $9. Exactly $9. So injective, very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish. So bull run, its own bull run as injective. And we're looking for $9 at $9 at $9. Here we go. Yep, that was for injective. Your bearish scenario, of course, in injective, let's give the bearish. We're looking for an A, B, and a C toward the downside, meaning a bigger or longer correction. Yeah, but very low possibility because this is your only bearish scenario between all these scenarios, guys. It's totally bullish. Yeah, one of the most bullish scenarios for it. It reminds me with FET and what is the second one? FET, which one, guys? That is another one that has the same formation. Forgot it. Okay, so injective, FET, and one more coin, render. I just remember render has the same, exactly the same pattern, guys. Okay, so it's difficult. Yep, ARB. Okay, we're gonna see ARB next, but first, OP. Can you analyze AKT injective update because it's very strong against injective? We just did it. Okay, man, I have follow you more. You said if it goes down $31 then 60 bearish, I don't put stop loss. What? I have follow you. Okay, you said if it goes down $31. What do you mean down $31? Avax? We're talking about Avax. 60% bearish. I don't put stop loss. Yeah, it depends on your strategy. If you're talking about stop loss, where you should put it, it depends on your strategy and your portfolio and what you're using as strategy. Yes, you can if you are buying in a spot or even with a leverage, but of course you cannot make a very high leverage. But yeah, so of course it's you can never use a stop loss at all even when you trade. It depends on your strategy. Yeah. It depends how you manage your portfolio and how many trades you take. That's very crucial, of course. Okay. Okay, many things now. OP wasn't the mantra OP or OM? It was. Okay. So yeah, let's see. OP, AKT, and OP, AKT, and render. BGB and beam. Okay, too many. ARB as well. All right, let's move on with it then. Let's start with ARB. Okay. ARB, I never did this, something new. So maybe we take Coinbase. Is it? I need the all-time history, guys. If possible to find the all-time history for me, I would be so gladful. ARB USD. Which platform it give us the all-time history? Okay, it looks like this one for Binance. We have March 2023. ARB USD Python. March 2023 also. Okay. I think, okay, we can move with Binance. But if there is something missing before it, yeah, it might be critical, guys. Always you need, but it's the same. It's March, okay, but why that is, okay. I think this is it. Most of them are March. Okay. Um, so interesting. Okay, we're gonna see how how much interesting it is. So far, just from looking at it, it's not looking good unless there is some missing history. If you tell me there is an impulse before in a missing history, I would say it is interesting. But looking at this, it's not at all. Yeah. So what we're looking at, this is on MXC, of course. Let's label this. So A, B, and a C probably are leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, or an A, B, and a C, meaning one more leg towards the downside. Very bearish. Very bearish. One scenario is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice leading diagonal. Or A, or let's say A, B, and a C. Yeah, you're still looking for a finished wave C, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so A, B, and a C. Meaning, of course, it might move for higher, but you need to check now your wave 5 is finished or not. Okay, so let's not consider this wave up here because it's gonna make a leading diagonal, and this will bring it even for lower, meaning you are in an impulse towards the downside. So preferably that you are in expanding flat to move towards the upside. Yeah, so these are the things. So basically, we have here an A, B, and a C. C not finished yet. All right, probably not finished. So this is your main scenario. Here we go. Your wave C is a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. So this wave 5 has to, of course, finish this impulse very nicely, where you have double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, currently in a wave 4, looking for a wave 4 again, 5, and then 4 and a 5. So double 1, 2, this is a problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. And let's put it in a gray. And then this is gonna be finished later. And 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then, yep, 3, 4, and a 5 exactly here. All right, so here we go. So still looking for a wave 5 here to finish, of course, a wave 3 in your yellow scenario, and then 4 and a 5 again to finish this a bigger wave 5 and wave C. Yeah. Here we go. Bigger wave 5 meaning, of course, your main impulse wave 5. Another scenario, let me take it in a bullish. I'm trying to find a bullish one. I mean, there is no impulse anyway, but I mean, try to find a finished structure other than this one. WXY, zigzag. Yeah, anyway, you still need also to finish this impulse. If you are in WXY, you need this zigzag to be finished as an impulse again, and then start to move towards the upside. Therefore, still bearish, of course. So let's put a target as well. If you want to have a target here for a wave 5 in your gray scenario, here we go, wave 5 over 1. Yep, here we go, 0.25. So bearish until, what was the name? ARB. Until we said $0.25. This is your target. All right. Okay. Now AKT. Let's see AKT. Yes, Daniel, we're gonna see also the other ones. Can Can you please look at mirror USD? Okay. Yes, sure, MG. We're gonna take a look as well on MACD. Thank you. You did this many months back. I don't remember it even. Viraj, welcome to the live stream, man. ICP has been already made. ICP, we have already made it, and it's not looking really good. So it's okay. We're gonna take a closer look anyway. We're gonna put a target for it. ICP, same as what we did for ARB. We're looking right now in the blue zone here. Your target is a 5.5 at least, but yeah, I think 4.1 even for ICP. So $4.1, right, for ICP probably. Okay, so this is what is ICP. Now let's go to AKT USD. What is AKT? Akdital, all right. I never did this. All-time history. Where can we find all-time? Oh my God, what is that? AKT USD. Crypto, right? .com. I think crypto.com always has almost all-time histories. This is October 20. Okay. What is that? AKT USD and crypto.com Maxi. Is it older? No. So AKT USD. Let's stay on crypto.com. Now, I don't know if there is, of course, missing data. It looks like an impulse toward the upside, but I don't know if we have a missing data from the bottom here. Hi, next graphic. Welcome. Welcome to the live. Yep. Andre, most welcome. Yes, we're gonna take a look at all of these. CP also dim. All right, so yeah, guys, if you found an all-time history where we took this before, I appreciate it, but I'm gonna consider that the market starts from here. If you find, of course, something else, because this changed a lot. Okay, this changed a lot. So we're gonna see, of course. Can you use Gate or KuCoin? Okay, AKT USD KuCoin. No, so it's less, bro. It's less. Gate.io also less. No, it's better crypto. AKT USD better with crypto.com. That's label. Yes, Pepe, very interesting. We're gonna do Pepe as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse towards the downside. I'm gonna consider that we start from here because we are looking for an impulse. But let me check. This is not an impulse, guys. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5. Yes, it is an impulse. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, very long wave 5 extended. Wave 5 was, of course, an impulse finished exactly in this area. And we're looking here for probably a wave A or a wave 1, right? So if you have an impulse, you are in a zigzag A, B, and a C, probably, or in a wave 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so 3, 4, and a 5. And this is your bearish scenario, most bearish. Here we go. Probably you are in an ABC, of course. Higher possibility. However, your wave C is gonna be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? It has to be, it has to be an impulse or an ending diagonal, right? So in case we are in an impulse, this is already a wave 1 given. Wave 2, very nice. You're looking for wave 3. Let's get a target. And here we go. 1, 2. Wave 3 impulse. Here we go. 3, 4, and a 5. Blue zone is of course this 1.618 first, and retest and reanalyze, of course. So basically, yeah, bearish, and it can be, of course, moved to where to the wave 5, of course. Yeah. Let's take also here the fib levels, wave 2, in case you are looking. Yeah, let's take wave B in general. Okay, and reverse this. Here we go. Yeah, 0.6 in confluence, that is a perfect target, guys. Okay, here we go. In confluence was 0.6, or in between, yeah, 0.7. So that might, of course, be your next target. I would say 0.55. Now, what would happen in case, of course, you are in A, B, and a C? Of course, if you are in A, B, and a C, you finished your wave C here, and then moving toward the upside. Yeah, it can be, of course, something like WXY, guys. It can finish only here and start to move towards the higher prices. So therefore, I'm putting target until reanalyzing, yeah, just to finish this leg, and of course, then the analysis is expired, I would say, yeah, until seeing the new price action. But yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably, and finishing a wave C, and then starting to move for higher, meaning this might be, look how it transformed the things, A, B, and a C. This is your blue or your bullish scenario. Here we go. A, B, and a C. Yeah, so whatever you finish, or whenever you finish this impulse, you would like to move for higher. So this was AKT 0.55. This is a bearish until 0.55 dollar. Okay, next. All right, Vishnu Alamanda. Please share Pepe coin. Yes, we'll do with Pepe coin. But first, let's see who requests things first. We have a BGB and Beam. Okay. All right. So BGB USD. Let's go crypto directly. Wow. Okay. Nice. Nice banana. BGB USD. Is there an older? Wow. Okay. I did. Who put Bitcoin? I think my hands are used to type just Bitcoin. All right. So Monday, February 2024. This is very fresh coin, but it looks very, very impulsive. Okay, February 2024 on Pyth. Okay. Because your wave 1 here is looking a little bit weird, but yeah, this on crypto is better. June 2022. Yeah, it's even longer than this. All right, nice. All right, this is Bitget. Oh, isn't it the platform BGB Bitget? I think so. All right. I didn't know they have their own coin also. Bitget. 1, 2. I know it just because I develop a KGT. I have to access Bitget. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow, is that an extended wave 5? I mean, yeah, can be. This is, of course, a leading diagonal here. For your wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 1 in leading diagonal. Wave 2, and then wave 3 towards the upside, and then 4 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow. It's a big platform, and it's their token. Yes, exactly. Okay, nice. It's still okay. For $5 almost. Very, very nice. Yeah, so I think that is okay. So let's start with the scenarios. Of course, there is multiple scenarios here, guys. Yeah, so first of all, that you have finished a wave 1, right? A bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, because this can be an extended wave 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, this your ultimate bullish scenario. Let's put it in the blue. You're looking for wave 2 after. Now, what if we're coming to the what if, but here we go, A, B, and a C as well. Yeah, this is your blue scenario in bullish. Yeah, zigzag. Yeah, A, B, and a C toward the upside, which it will meet your wave 3 normally with an impulse, and then 4, 5 in case you are an impulse. Now, what if we are in triple 1, 2s? What if? Just because, let's see volume. I don't know why sometimes the volume on trading, it works for some coins and for some coins not. Well, definitely we have a high amount of volume here, so this is your wave 3 probably. And in that case scenario, I would consider a 1, 2, 1, 2, and triple 1, 2s here. Or another scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then of course 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Many scenarios can unfold here, definitely, because of course this is an impulse, yeah, finished here as 1, and then can be wave 2 and then 3. It can be as well be 1, 2, 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, and then moving for a massive wave 3 toward the upside. So in both case scenarios here, it can be played, of course, as a big wave 1 or as a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now, probably if, yeah, fundamentally a little bit here and psychologically, I would move with several 1, 2s. So basically, I would say even that this wave 1 is not finished yet. This wave A is not finished yet. Okay, we're not done. We're not done, guys, with it. So I think this is for 5, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. Yeah. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 second. Yeah, not finished yet. That's why. Yeah, not finished. But yeah, I don't see it. I don't see. I see just several 1, 2s, guys. Let's just put several 1, 2s directly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It's already a. Here we go. I see just several 1, 2s here. Here we go. This is a first wave 5. You have another 1, 2 here. 1, 2 from here. And then 3, 4, and a 5. This is your orange and bigger count. This to be postponed later on, and another 1, 2 here in your white scenario. Here we go. And this is, yeah, this is your micro. Here we go. So 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a bigger wave 1, which is now a minor wave 1 or a wave A and a minor as well. Here we go. Big bullish scenario, of course. Big one. 1, 2. You see some coins still, of course, in a bull run, guys. This is going forever for later on. Also wave C in the top, wave B. Here we go. Yeah, very nice opportunity as well. Still in the bottom. Yeah. So targets. Let's start from here. You have wave 1, and that's why I took a triple 1, 2s, because I knew this is gonna even extend over the 1.618, so I'm obliged anyway to take 1, 2 here. Wave 3. Here we go. Yeah. Very nice. Yep, left. So, yeah, so we are currently in a wave 4. You have reached even over the 1.618, so definitely this is your impulse, main impulse toward the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 taken from here. I don't know what is going on with this wick, but it looks like something. By the way, yeah, I just reminded something. I have to see it. Wave 4 impulse. By the way, if this is a Bidget token, why we didn't took it on Bidget platform? Of course, they have the all-time history, right? BGB USD. So we were doing here on crypto, okay? Bidget, here we go. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, crypto and Bidget launch it at the same time. Nice. And they have the same wick. And this is what I want to check if this wick is a scam or not. So it's a true money here. So it can be a wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I can base my wave 4 retracement on it. And here we go. We just hit the 0.23 exactly on it. Yeah, very nice. And of course, we're moving for a higher. Your wave 5 is the following. Wave 5, here we go. Wave 5 in over 1. This is your next target, guys. Here we go. Let's see. Yep. Target, I think target between 19 and 31, but I see 31 even. But let's stay safe in this and reanalyze later on. You can remind me when you hit the target, guys, in the comments. I would be so glad to add this coin to our channel. Yeah. So BGB, right? It's called BGB. Okay. It looks like we have to save this, to memorize this coin. BGB. I'm gonna write it here even just to remember. Okay. So BGB. Then we have a $19.02. Okay. Bull run. Very, very bull run. Very nice. Interesting. Nice one. Thank you, Andre, who told me about BGB. Yep, that was activated. Thank you, activated. All right, so Budget is a big platform, yes. And next graphic 1212. Yeah, you mean the yeah, very nice next graphic. Yes, double 12, triple 12s even. Yes. Hey chat, would you anyone be interested in Rose chart? Okay. Yes, Rose. All right. And we're gonna see Rose. But do we have something else? Did I miss someone? Okay, Rizok. XL USD. Okay, XEL. And MG, you asked for Mirror. Sorry, MG. Mirror. I think Mirror protocols. This is what you meant. Mirror protocol. Right. And USD. You said, I think you told me the platform on Maxi. Yes. All right. Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I remember we did. Oh, yeah. No, not good, man. Not good. I remember. Yeah, I remember I chatted with you about this, and this is exactly what we were looking for, right? I think so. Yep. So not good at all. Yeah, it's dying, man. It's not good. I prefer to not even analyze it. Sorry, MG. Sorry, my friend. ICP, okay, and then Pepe. Yeah, we have Pepe and Excel USDT and Rose. Okay, so these three, Excel, Pepe, and Rose are next. So let's start with XEL. And MG, if you have something else, I would be glad, of course, to do it next. But then this one is not really nice to look at it even. It's not really nice. So here we go. Yeah, okay. This is XCL August. Xalis, okay. Let's see crypto. Do they have it? They don't. Sorry. Okay. They don't have crypto. Okay, Binance. No. XCL USD. Okay, Maxi I think is the only one. Probably. Okay, what is that? ABC. Very simple. A, B, and a C towards the downside. Very, very clear. Expanding flat. Is it expanding? No. Very regular flat even. Wave C regular flat. Your targets, here we go. $2.4 in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is a leading ending diagonal. Sorry. Yeah, so Cell is pretty new coin. It started on April. Yes, April, even August I have here. I couldn't find the April one. But your target, in case this is your data that it has started from here, then of course you're looking for a regular flat at $2.47. All right. If you found an all-time history for it, please let me know, of course. So actually it is bullish, I would say. I mean, let's put the target. So bull run, because why bullish? Because you finish 3 waves down, and of course it's gonna move up. It can be impulsive, it can be 3 waves up, but however, it's gonna move up. So this is the idea. So XL or XEL is bullish at 2.4 at a $2.4, $47. Here we go. So it is bullish, of course, but starting from this point and moving for higher. All right, next, let's move on a little bit faster. Rose USD. Okay, with Rose, let's see with Rose. All right. Full history was XE, but is no more after the hack accident. Oh, there is a hack accident in it. Okay, that's very tragic then. So Rose USD, this is Binance, was given, sorry, from November 2020. I think this might be the all-time history crypto. Do they have one? It's the same. It's the same. All right. So let's add this also here. Here we go. All right. What do we have? Definitely ABC or W. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why impulse? Oh, yeah, okay, it's a bearish. First you have A, B, and a C. Yeah, so we have here finished 3 waves up. And well, what happened? Okay, I don't know what I clicked on. Yep, sorry, back. I don't know what I clicked. So A, B, and a C, and then we finished a impulse toward the downside. Yeah, you have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. 5 finished exactly there. Let's put this in the lower count, as you can see. But let me check this wave 1. What is it here? Wave 1. Interesting as well. Then double 1, 2s. Yep, double 1, 2. You have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yes, that's it. Okay, so you have 1, 2 here then. This was your wave 3. This is your first wave 4. This is your wave 5. And you have a second 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So here we go. All right. Wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. And looking into 3 corrective waves toward the upside. Again, A, B, and a C. Your wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished nicely, of course, in an impulse. And let's put this lower count. And then, of course, now you're looking 1, 2, probably again double 1, 2s. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading diagonal. Here we go. Leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is your wave 4. Yeah. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. This is your wave 4 here. Sorry. Yeah. Very shallow wave 5, but it took the low. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. ABC for wave 2, and then moving toward the downside with the wave 3, meaning you are now in the middle of a wave 3. your targets for a wave 3 impulse toward the downside is 0.016 cents. Yeah, blue box. What is our blue box? Here we go. This is your target zone. And with this, you're gonna finish A, B, and a C toward the downside, towards the upside later on. Sorry. So A, B, and a C. But don't forget, you might move even lower than this. Yeah. So this is only a wave 3 to be reanalyzed. So only a wave 3 can be here at 0.016. But don't forget that you have a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so you still can move even lower. And if this happened, meaning of course expanding flat after 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then moving for higher. But I doubt it, of course. I mean, it can end up even in ending diagonal. We're gonna see, yeah. But still, this price can be taken inside this blue zone here, yeah. So Rose is in the bear market. Rose. Yeah, the target is, let's say, okay, the minimum target is 0.025. I always give only the minimum target, guys. I cannot give the higher one because, well, it can be taken and it cannot be taken. This is uncommon target, but it can finish here. So preferably to be safe for you guys, I give you the minimum target. Okay, here we go. So next is, we said Excel, Rose, and something else. What was it? Pepe. Here we go. Well, Pepe, I made the latest video as well for it. Yeah, we're looking for this blue zone. We are in a triangle, very obviously, right? So as you can see, we are in a very, very nice triangle, but in a wave E, if supposedly that it has finished, we have to continue to move to the downside. We're coming back to here, but let me check back on the daily. So on the daily, in Pepe, you are, of course, in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finished, of course, a leading diagonal as well. Or it can be even something bigger. It can be 1, 2, 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, and then moving toward the upside, so triple 1, 2s. Or it can be A, B, and a C toward the upside finished. You need 3 waves down and moving toward the upside again. Or you have finished a big impulse or leading diagonal in a wave 1 and then moving for a wave 2. Yeah, 3 waves down. Therefore, Pepe is looking probably for the 0.38 fib level. And because this is an impulse, you will not finish here. It's A, B, and a C toward the downside, hitting the 0.38 for a perfect fib level, at least in a wave 1 and 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside. Now, inside this, we are looking here on the 4-hour chart. You are looking at a triangle, right? Very, very extended triangle, by the way. A, B, C, D, and a E, right? Currently, if you are finishing, if you finish wave E here, you have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. Yeah. So it has to be, of course, impulsive. Let me check if this is an impulse. Well, yes. So probably we have started the impulse. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 2, very long wave 2, and then probably moving toward the downside even more. Yeah. So I would say for Pepe, it is in a bear market still, or in the middle of the bear markets, because you are in a wave A, probably A, B, and a C, as you can see for a wave 2. In case you are in 1, 2, for bigger bearish market, but very low possibility, your highest possibility is A, B, and a C. Your target is minimum target 0.38. Yeah. So let's see the target and put it in our list. Oh my God, Pepe will will kill me with this number. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 zeros. Okay. So bear market, Pepe at 0.1234 and a 5, 4047. Okay. This is your target for Pepe. Minimum target anyway. because you know you are in a big 1-2. You need to hit the minimum requirement for a wave 2 at this 0.38 fib level. That was it for Pepe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for likes and comments. I do this every day. It became like a I don't know, like a song in my head. Psi USD would be interesting. Yes. Okay. OP. Right. Before Psi, let's go to OP. Yes, Jordi. Sorry if I forgot you. So crypto. Here we go. That starts on June 2022. OPUSD for Binance probably. Yeah, it looks like longer. Longer than June 2022. No. OPUSD MACD. Okay, yeah, all of them June 2022. I prefer to stick with crypto.com, so it's the most used. And here we go. All right, most welcome, Jordi. Okay, we have moved to the downside first. Okay, but this can be cancelled. 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 longer than wave 3 probably. Let me check first. Wave 5. Yep, longer. Took the 1-to-1. So not leading diagonal. Yeah, it's an ABC, guys. So you have probably even WXY. So we have probably here A. Yeah, in case we want to take this leg, by the way, can be an A, B, and probably C in a flat here, W, X, and a Y. Yeah, so this is your zigzag right now, and your zigzag has to be an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect correction. Impulse to finish this wave C. Very, very simple, right? So W, or we said, yeah, A, B, and a C for W probably here, if we're gonna take it. X, or how I counted before. No, it was like A, B, and a C, right? And then for W and then X, exactly. That's it. So W, X, and a Y. This is your main scenario. Complex structure. Not finished yet, of course. For the wave Y, you are looking here at an A, B, and a C probably for, of course, a zigzag. And this is a wave 1. Sorry, not a wave 1. I mean the 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag. Here we go. This is your target. Exactly. Perfect. 0.6. Bullish. Let's think bullish as well, if that is, and see the highest possibility. We have an impulse here. Okay, if we are bullish, then we have to eliminate this wave, and you are in A, B, and a C. And okay, it's the same scenario. Wow. Okay. Look, if you are bullish as well, because of course this is an impulse here, but it's for your wave C. After 3 waves up, yeah, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish, of course, an ABC. So let's put this as well. That would be nice. So A, B, and a C, right? This is your, yeah, here we go. And probably here, in a bigger view, you have finished a big wave A, you're looking for a big wave B and a big wave C in the blue scenario as a bigger scenario. Here we go. And both are the same scenarios, meaning lower prices in all case scenarios. 1-to-1 fib level 0.6, very nice psychological number. And moving to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. probably 1-2 as well. Yeah, 4-5. So 0.618, meaning of course you are bear market, still need a lot of time, of course, to be bullish. So better to put it in the bearish. Currently, this is a OP, right? OP USD, and this is 0.60 dollar, right? Target. This is our target. All right. KG, remember dimension. All right, dim. Yes, sorry, CP as well. Dim. Yes, sorry guys, many coins. But I would be glad to do it for you guys. Here we go. Crypto dim dimension on February 2024. Very fresh coin and not looking good. Binance, do they have it as well? Okay, not good at all. Well, I don't know if I have to consider the SWIC as well, or is it a full? Wow, okay, it's a full one. Okay, it's very impulsive. I mean, it looks like Trump coin. Yeah, like moving high and then moving toward the downside. Right? It's not looking really good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Minimum target is of course this 1-to-1 fib level. This is your minimum target 0.31. Okay. But be careful that it might transform to a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and that is catastrophic. Okay, I will not put this in the list, but I would be glad, of course, to show what is going on into it. OP, yep, thanks, welcome, Jordi, and I think MG, yes, MG, XRP, yes, very nice. We didn't do the main coins yet. XRP. So XRP is bearish today a little bit. I mean, just a little bit red, but now is recapping, like by the way, let me check. We're still inside it. Okay, so XRP. All right. So in the XRP, we are looking here at, yeah, yesterday we made this this analysis for XRP very tricky, right? Where we are looking probably into a, of course, triangle here for this wave 1, 2, 3, and then 4 in a triangle probably, and then we start to realize, that it took the high as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably for a leading diagonal, right? And that it start to look like a little bit like a leading diagonal. However, we said if we take this low 2.47, of course, therefore we have to consider, of course, invalidation of this contracting diagonal and moving, of course, to the downside, and meaning, of course, yeah, higher prices as well still possible until now, yeah, because this looks like much more tending to be bullish. But be careful, once you take the 2.47, then of course invalidation of any kind of leading diagonal and probably taking the wave 5 toward the downside. However, in a bigger overview for XRP, we are looking, of course, for an impulse here, more than, of course, impulse toward the upside, more than, of course, bearish. So still have one more leg, of course, to finish this impulse. Yeah, so we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4, probably, of course, it can be ABC expanding flat, and because now you're still in a wave 3, very weird wave 3, by the way, but it still can be 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5. You have a lot of space here to range for a wave 4. Plus, you have a lot of time to range for a wave 4. Yeah, look at your wave 2. Therefore, your wave 4 can be double time. You didn't reach even the 1-to-1 fib time yet. I believe. Here we go. You did not reach it yet. Therefore, yeah. So expect, of course, more correction for XRP before moving for this final wave 5. But still, of course, bullish. Currently, it is in a bullish scenario. We cannot say it is bearish. I would say next target is the blue box, 1.46. Yeah, 1.46 for XRP, where you might finish this correction and move for higher prices. Yeah, so let's put this also for XRP. XRP, I would say, yeah, in right now, I prefer to put it in the sideways. Yeah, I mean it's still bullish, of course, but I prefer to take this one, this target, and because it is a wave 4 and it's gonna be very long wave 4 sideways. Yeah, that's why. So now, of course, we're gonna reanalyze 100 times even before this wave 5 unfold, I'm pretty sure. So XRP is in a sideways at 1.46, right? Dollar. This is your probable next target for XRP. Next, Daniello. Yep. Sai. That sounds so Japanese. Sai USD. All right. Okay, crypto. And okay, August 2023. Sai USD. Crypto, Binance. Also August 2020. I think this is the one. Let's put this into label in case we come back. It doesn't look bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably to be reanalyzed. But let's say 2 or a wave B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, so two scenarios. Yeah, but this is very questionable here. 1, 2, 3, invalidation. Yeah. Okay. And here, 1, 2, 3, also invalidation. 1, 2, 3, longer than wave 1. Nope. Okay. No impulse. Unless it is 1, 2, also 3, 4, and a 5. I don't know if I have to consider this a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. It doesn't work as well. A, B, and a C. Okay, very critical price. Let's say A, B, and a C toward the upside finished here. This cannot be an impulse wave 5, so A, B, and a C toward the downside. Definitely you have an expanding flat here, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then continuation toward the downside. So the scenarios are the following. A, and then B and a C toward the upside. Yeah, or W, X, and a Y. Yeah, already took in this one. Yeah, here we go. It reminds me with a near this one. All right, A, B, C. Yeah. So basically, you have an A, B, and a C expanding flat here, and this expanding flat is looking, of course, very long, but yeah, it still can be. Yeah, so for a wave C. ABC as well, and here you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this is what you want to see actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is of course your impulse toward the downside for a wave C. Your targets after double 1, 2s. Oh my God! Have you realized that most of the market here is the same price action almost with double 1, 2s? I mean, not all of them, but many coins have the same double 1, 2s, and many of them many of them have invalidated, took the wave 1, and many of them did not. Yeah, so Sai is one of them, still looking for a double 4, 5. I would say we are looking here. Let's say this is your target here as a wave 1, and I'm looking for a wave 3. Sorry, so this one I'm so lost with wave 5. Wave 5, here we go. Here we go. This is your target, 121 at 0.10. Very nice psychological number as well. 0.10 is your target for SI in a bear market. So for SI or SEI, at target we said 0.1, right? 0.1. Okay, dollar. All right. Yeah, sounds a bit Japanese. Yeah. This one is another blockchain token. Yes. Okay, cool. Yeah. It's just a correction and then moving towards the upside. Basically, it is bullish. I mean, you are at the end of the bearish market. Yes, this is your bearish market. You're at the end, the last leg of your bearish market, and then moving for higher. Check beam. All right. Beam. Jesus. No. That's beam USD other than crypto. That's weird. Okay. Beam USD. Pyth. Okay. Maxi. Yeah, that's not really good. Not really good, man. So, an impulse toward the downside, ABC. Yeah, let's change another one. So sorry, man, but yeah, beam doesn't really look good. It's the same for like the other ones, like we saw today, with mirror. Sui. Sui. Well, Sui is still inside, of course. This move toward the downside, of course, right? We're looking at an ABC toward the upside or a wave 1. So you probably finish ABC. You're looking for 3 waves down. Or you have finished 1, 2, and 1, 2. So probably another 1, 2 and moving for higher. And in case, of course, one of these scenarios that it might unfold, currently you hit the 0.23. Minimum target is 0.38, meaning A, B, and a C. And that's why I have a blue box here for your wave B. Yeah. And now in the current wave, you are in double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, finished here probably wave 5. And then one more wave 4 and a 5. Let's move inside it. Here we go. You have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Probably here finished. And another final wave 4 in a triangle. Very nice triangle, by the way. And yeah, we're looking still for one more wave toward the downside. Our targets are already given for Sui. So I think is, yeah, the 0.38 would be a perfect target, to be honest. And the 1.618, of course, in confluence is given 2.3. Yeah. So I would say, yeah, let's put Sui in here, still in a bearish market, because guys, as we said, it might finish wave A, B, and a C, meaning, yeah, even moving to this 38. But currently I'm gonna put a 2.3 because we might, of course, reverse from there. So Sui $2.3 target. Yep. So guys, CRV. Have you realized you asked mostly for most of the bearish today? But there are some bullish, of course. Yeah, I mean, there are many bullish guys. There are FET and render. FET is a very, very nice, so I'm gonna put this for you already. So FET is target is this one. 1.618, 0.55. Yeah, I prefer this one. So target at $0.55. You are very bullish. for FET, for example, means one more leg. Render, since you have asked for it as well, guys, as well. So render, where is it here? Here, this one. It's the same. It's the same thing as FET and for injective as well. So they have the same scenarios. Look what it targets area. A lot of targets. This blue zones. I would say 2.87 for render will just, of course, trigger it toward the upside. Even I would say be careful from the $3. Be careful from the $3 for render. So I'm gonna just be safe here and put it at $3, $3.0. Okay, here we go. These are bullish. Yeah, so these are the things. CRV. Let's check it very fast before we finish the live stream for today. For CRV, yeah, let's see here. Let me label this. CRV, I analyze this, but okay, we have invalidation of bullish in this area. So we are in a bullish scenario still in a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Your target is 1.5 for a wave 5, but it looks like you are as well looking for this one more leg toward the downside, which we don't get this leg, you know, like this. If you remember the last live stream, we are still, of course, I mean, yeah, obviously, since the last stream, this is a daily. We are still the same as per the last live stream, still looking for this leg toward the downside, but means yes, in the last live stream and this live stream is very correct in prediction because we are corrective, right? Corrective meaning continuation toward the downside. Yeah, I know it's boring. It has been boring since the last 2 weeks, but what can we do? So targets is 0.37, but we have to be careful. We are very, very close to the invalidation. And in a bigger picture for CRV, yeah, doesn't look good because anyway, it took the low. But you are in probably A, B, and a C finished and moving toward the upside, yeah. Finished here, probably. So preferably not taking the 0.37, yeah, preferably, yeah, to not take it. If you take it, then yeah, that's not good. So target, the problem is now the target is 0.37, so I'm really I'm not gonna put it in the list, but because this is very critical, like invalidation and target is 0.37, yeah, so we have to be careful with it. Many altcoins have pumped already. Bear market is imminent. Yes. Yep. Exactly. MATIC is near to be bullish. MATIC, I never did. Isn't it Polygon? Yes. Well, I think what is going on with MATIC? Why it's not so? But still looking good. Why not? All right. I'm still looking good. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, very, very obvious. Let me check if this is all-time history as well. I think MATIC can be found better on Binance. Okay, guys. I think, yeah, it's the only one on crypto.com. So it's still in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna give you just very quick overview and we close the stream. It has been already 2 hours. 0.38, very nice, very nice. Already in a very nice fib level for a wave 3, A, B, and a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're at the end. Yes, so you are right. It's very near to be bullish. Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, WXY is preferable because your wave 3 is longer than your wave 1. Ending diagonal is hard to call. Your wave 4 has interfered with the zone 1. Therefore, W, X, and Y. Your wave Y here is potentially kind of zigzag or some kind of a correction. But yes, bullish. Yeah, very bullish. Yeah, so let's add MATIC as well. 0.5. Okay, let's add. Actually, we're gonna add the bullish scenario directly. Here we go. Well, yeah, target. in a way 5. I'm afraid to give this, but yeah, it can be, guys. It can be 16.3 for MATIC. Very nice one. So be careful from it. So MATIC, I'm gonna give the minimum. Yeah, so this is $6.3 as minimum target. Okay, as a bull run. So as you can see, yeah, MATIC is in a bull run. Yeah, in a bull run, while probably BTC still moving toward the downside. Guys, I thank you so much for being here, and yeah, it's always a glad. I'm always glad, of course, to give you the analysis live and to chat with you a little bit and say hi and chit chat and so on. And yeah, so of course, it's the most interesting one is a BGB, yeah, MATIC. Right now, we just saw it. Render, FET, very interesting scenarios. ETH still needs something, yeah, still needs something, but it is bullish, but still need a little bit more low. Injective is also interesting. Very, very nice, of course. Be careful from the bearish one, guys. And of course, trade safe as always. And have a nice eve, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next live stream. Bye bye.